transmission enables the car to accelerate without lack of power. This is a very special feeling. You just feel the acceleration performance without any interruption, without any stop. It never stops.
The transmission shifts in about 150 milliseconds, which is just the same as a blink of your eye.
Bugatti engineers come up with a transmission with a secret. The Veyron has two transmissions built into one. They call it a double clutch transmission.
You have two input shafts, one for the even gears and one for the odd gears, and you have two clutches, each clutch acting on each input shaft.
With two separate transmission shafts, two gears can be engaged at the same time. To shift, all the car does is switch clutches.
And the shift is then only the change of the clutch system.
The double clutch concept is why the transmission can shift so fast. The car can be accelerating in one gear and already have the next gear ready to go.
It's only possible to do this with an automatic controlled transmission.
Being automatically controlled is not the same as being an automatic transmission. The Veyron double clutch system is really a unique form of a manual transmission controlled by computers.
Compared to an ordinary manual system, the system is quite more sophisticated with its brain behind. So it's a computer brain.
Just for the control unit for the transmission, it's around 4 normal laptop computers.
The transmission isn't only fast, it's incredibly strong. It has to be to handle the extreme forces generated by 1,001 horsepower.
Never before, never ever